Bed bugs, one of those small critters that we all hate. They have been expanding all over the world, especially in hotels. Do you want to protect yourself from getting bitten by a bed bug or even worse, bringing them back home? Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Travel Tip Wednesday. I am your host, Steven. So today's topic, we are going to talk about bed bugs. These small critters who are very annoying while we are vacationing. So here are a few tips on how to prevent yourself from getting bitten by bed bugs or even worse, bringing them back home. Tip number 1, when you arrive to your hotel, just glance around the bed, underneath the bed, on top of the shelves, everywhere with your cell phone camera or flashlight so you could actually see if there's any droppings or any stains that these bed bug drops. These droppings are very small. They're actually pretty much the size of a point when you actually point a pen to a paper. And if you could actually identify them, make sure you could talk to the hotel staff to see if you could actually change a room. If the coast is actually clear, pretty much you're good to go. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is make sure you bring yourself a bed bug trap. One of the good products you can use as a bed bug traps are ortho bed bug traps. You can find them on Amazon. Also, the link is under the description section, so where you can purchase this bed bug traps. Tip number 3, make sure you bring some DEET. There is actually a DEET that is actually you could use to spray on your clothing or on the sheets, bed sheets where you're actually going to be sleeping in the hotel. There is actually a product called Wilderness DEET insect repellent where you could use this spray on the mattress or spray on your clothes in order to prevent yourself from getting bitten from bed bugs. Tip number 4. And this is a very important tip because if you don't know that your room is actually infested with bed bugs, and there's a good chance you might bring them home, in order to prevent them from spreading to your home when you return from your trip, there's actually a luggage that actually prevents bed bugs coming in. There is a good product called Thermo Strike. That's a bed bug proof heated luggage where pretty much bed bugs are having a hard time coming into your luggage, where it could actually sneak into your clothing, and actually when you return back home they actually spread. In order to prevent these critters to come into your clothing, just make sure you have this luggage. Tip number 5, for those of you who are not into those toxic chemicals, repellents, there's actually good news for you. This product is actually called Stop Bugging Me, and it's actually a laundry additive. When you are actually doing laundry, you could add this additive while washing your clothes, and it naturally kills these bed bugs and dust mites and also the eggs. So those are the tips for today. If you want to buy one of these items for your next trip in order to prevent yourself from getting bed bugs, there are links in the description below this video so you can buy them for your next trip. And those are the tips for today. If you have any other tips on how to prevent yourself from getting bed bugs, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, safe travels.